It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Elevation Edition. The driver's door has power locks, power windows with an auto express window, power adjustable side mirrors, the child lock button, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel we have trailer mode. By turning that dial to the right, various drive modes will appear on the dash. We've got normal, sport, and off-road. Two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials with a park brake just below. Rubber floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, and a cloth interior. Next I'm going to jump in and we'll take a look at the leather wrapped heated steering wheel. The left side has our cruise control buttons with that heated steering wheel button, and on the right side we have our audio controls and voice commands. Up next is our driver information center. We're able to scroll through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead we have OnStar and some interior light buttons. Down below, GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple Carplay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's also equipped with our trailering app, and it doubles as our backup camera with or without guidance, or if you prefer, on the right side here we've got hitch guidance. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated front seats, auto stop start, the tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control, the trailer brake, and some USB ports and a power plug-in. This is the engine push start button. Apply pressure to the brake while holding the button down to start the truck. At the front of the Elevation Edition, we have the painted grille surround and bumper, black tow hooks, fog lights, 20-inch gloss black aluminum wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, rear tinted windows, keyless entry on the door handles, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push the silver button to lock or unlock the doors. Remote start. You'll notice this truck also comes with the X31 off-road package. It's got all-terrain tires, off-road suspension, hill descent control, a 2-speed transfer case, skid plates, dual exhaust, and a high-capacity air filter. This truck also has the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck also has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It's also got the MultiPro tailgate step, so by pushing 2 additional buttons, we're able to drop that step down with ease. The box of the truck has 12 cargo hooks and LED box lighting. Next, we're going to take a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. The passenger door has power windows, wood trim, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. On the backs of both front seats, we've got cloth seat pockets. The back of our center console has 2 cup holders, some USB ports and power plug-ins, along with the rear fans, rubber floor mats on the floor, and we're able to raise these rear seats up for some additional storage space. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Sierra 1500 Elevation Edition, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.